Python is a popular programming language in the geospatial community, and it is widely used for developing geospatial solutions. Here are some ways to use Python in geospatial solutions. 1. Geospatial data manipulation. Python has many libraries for manipulating geospatial data, such as GeoPandas, Shapely, Fiona, and Pizzle. 2. Geospatial analysis. Python can be used to perform various geospatial analyses, such as spatial clustering, spatial interpolation, and spatial statistics. 3. Web mapping. Python can be used to create interactive web maps using web mapping libraries such as Folium and Bokeh. These libraries allow you to create maps with various layers, markers, and pop-ups that can be easily integrated into web applications. 4. Remote sensing. Python can be used for remote sensing applications such as satellite image processing and analysis. Libraries like Rasterio and GIL allow you to read, write, and manipulate raster data formats such as GeoTIFF, NITS, and HDF. 5. Machine learning. Python can be used for machine learning applications in geospatial data analysis, such as land cover classification, object detection, and prediction of geospatial phenomena. Libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and Keras offer many functions for performing these tasks. In summary, Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that can be used for various geospatial solutions, from data manipulation and analysis to web mapping and machine learning.